And here we are for another video with Bird's Life. Today we bring you somewhere extra special and chocolatey and delicious. Not necessarily chocolatey, but you know, sweet and all sort of
sweets.
goodness. Right behind us sits the newly opened and established Chimney Cakes.
Yep. Like these twisted cake things with ice cream, and there's a lot going on. So
It's Hungarian, so it should be good. Just looked at the menu a little bit. There's some good stuff. I think I have my eyes set on something specific. So we're gonna go in there, we're gonna see what the vibe's about, what they actually have on their menu. We're gonna see what we wanna get and what we're gonna eat. So come with us, let's get something sweet, shall we? The original chimney cake.
oh, it's busy.
It is busy. Create your own. I've got a lot of different flavors. Looks like fruity pebbles, pistachio, lotus, coconut, almond, flake, hazelnut, classic, Oreo.
They've got coffee for you.
Coffee. Should I get coffee? Actually, you know what? I was thinking about getting the fruity pebbles.
Oh, I meant no. They have like actual coffee,
Oh, coffee.
like to drink.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I just
She
thought
thinks
that
I
would
need
give them
coffee.
bonus points because we know how you are.
So they have a ton
Cool
of
in here.
flavors: vanilla, chocolate, strawberry cheesecake, coffee, cookies and cream.
This one,
Better
caramel
brownie.
cheesecake
Oh
cookie
my
monster.
gosh.
I'm sorry.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Bitter brownie batter, pistachio, Superman. That looks really good.
So nostalgic.
Praline, pecan, little blue panda. Oh my gosh. Look at this fountain. You guys, look at this.
Just kidding. it's tempting. Just need like fondue sticks and little like cake pieces.
Yeah. And now we have the Fruity Pebbles chimney cake in all its glory, waiting to be feasted on
It's
right
drippy.
here at Chimney Cakes.
You better get it. It's
All right.
melting because the cake is hot.
I have to just go for it.
You need
I
to
have
go.
just go
You
for
need to
it.
go.
What do you think? What do you think?
Go fast.
What do you think?
So much fast.
Is it good?
It looks good.
It looks good. Here we go.
Go.
I've got my spoon. I've got my dessert. Here we go.
Yeah? Ice cream's good.
Ooh, it's like a dessert breakfast. Oh, the ice cream is so good. It's so smooth.
Very true to you. Fruity Pebbles.
This is the breakfast cereal you have waited for your entire life.
It's very cereal because it's vanilla ice cream, so it's kind of like milk and cereal.
Oh wow, it's good. I can't wait to try this chimney cake.
It's interesting how they put the extra cup, so because it's hot, so they have the protective cup, and then they have a plastic cup around it, so it's not too hot to hold. And it also catches any extra, I think.
Yeah.
Good methods there.
Ooh, this ice cream is so good. You want to try it?
I'm gonna wait till mine, but I'm looking forward to it.
Oh wow, this is so smooth. I can't get over how good this ice cream is. Like, it's very creamy, almost custardy like.
Cool.
It's like if you perfect like a mix between authentic ice cream, a custard, and a soft serve. Like it's a little fatty, but it's so clean and so fresh, and it's very good. Oh man, it's so nice. Just look at it. Like the texture there is so nice. All right, she got hers.
I got mine. Mine is called the Flake, which is like flaked chocolate. It's a Cadbury brand. She actually let me try the actual chocolate bar itself that it comes from. So ignore the end where I opened it, but
You're gonna try it?
I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah, it looks good. Oh, see the layers?
Oh yeah. Okay. You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
All right.
It tastes like little ribbons of Cadbury. Yeah, I was like, it tastes kind of like Easter candy. That makes sense. This is what's on the outside. But yeah, looks good. It's got chocolate drizzle. They said it's one of their top 3 sellers, so
That looks
that's
really
a good
good.
sign. So let's see. Yeah, the ice cream is good.
Isn't it?
Wow,
You see how smooth it is?
that's hitting the spot.
Yeah.
Yep. This is like the line here this summer is going to be crazy. Like somewhere like this in Florida in summer, I can't imagine. When school gets out,
It's gonna be dangerous.
it's going to be busy.
Get here early.
Yeah. It's good. I like it. It's a fan.
Yeah.
So I got down past the ice cream first level, and when you go in a little bit, chocolate chip cookie.
Ooh.
And then mine also has like chocolate around the inside. Like I think yours might have. Does yours have chocolate, or does it have like the strawberry sauce stuff,
To be honest with you,
or does it not have any
I've already
sauce?
eaten everything.
He ate it so fast that he doesn't even know.
I did.
But that's a good sign, right? Oh boy.
So, honestly, I went right into it. I ate everything. I didn't even think twice. So good. I literally ate the ice cream, ate the cookie. I was like, at first I was like, what is in there? And then Lovely was like, oh, it's a chocolate chip cookie. And I was like, oh yeah, that's what it is. It was so steaming because you could taste like how hot and fresh that
Yep.
the cake was inside of it. And it was melting the ice cream from the bottom and going up, and it felt like a beautiful volcano of dessert. And then I was like, I really want to taste this chimney part of the cake. And so I started like cracking off into like a little ring, and then I bit into it, and it tasted like a delicious toasted donut of just delight, filled with sprinkled fruity pebbles on it. I gotta get back in there. It's just staring at me. It's calling me. I'm getting into it.
All right, we're gonna try it. It's really good.
What do you think?
It's not over sugary, but it definitely does have like a sugary outside. But mine has the flakes on the outside, like the chocolate. So the outside's super crunchy, but the inside is still doughy and soft because the ice cream kept that a little bit less crunchy after it went in there. So yeah, like you said, the donut vibe. But like, if a donut was an onion ring,
Yes.
that's kind of where we're at.
And it's also sort
in
of
like the best way.
and also has like some croissant vibes to it.
See, it's like doughy. The bite
Yeah.
cross section.
The white cross section. It is good, huh?
Yeah.
And there we have it. Twisted Rolls Chimney Cakes right here on Bruce B. Downs. We thought it was awesome.
Yep.
We thought it was good.
Yeah, it was really good.
Super tasty. Crazy good.
gonna
Ice
be-
cream phenomenal.
Insane busy over the summer. I know.
You want something unique, you want something good, you want awesome service, you want people to give you exactly what you pay for and more. You guys come right here and you enjoy it because it is good. It's gonna get hot this summer. It's gonna get really, really uncomfortable outside. This place got you covered.
And
We also got some good stuff.
they gave us a buy one, get one free. So actually, they gave us two. So we'll get to come back twice and get a free chimney roll both times. So
Yes. Fruity Pebbles.
they were so nice.
The cone was phenomenal. Her flake, you liked it?
Yeah, it was great. But the people that worked there were so nice. So
Yeah, I mean, honestly.
they gave us free water.
They were super cool. We got in and we started talking a little bit and
Yeah.
I was filming and they were like, do you guys film things? And we're like, yeah, we do it casually. Go look at our subscribers list. We do it casually. We love doing this. We'd love to do it more. But you know what? They were super awesome. They were super accommodating. They let her try things.
Yeah.
I've never seen that ever happen. No matter
Super
where
cool.
I've been. Like, they're like, hey, try it before you buy. It was phenomenal.
So
Just great service, great overall dessert, awesome snack, and probably one of the best dessert places I think I might have tried in recent time.
yeah,
You're not going to be disappointed.
check
Guys,
it out. Come
check it out. Leave a comment if you already haven't done so. Let us know if you've been here, what you got, and what you thought of it. And we hope that you subscribe because we love making these videos. And if you want to continue adventuring with us, please subscribe and see all the videos we plan to put out. And in the meantime, we hope you guys have an awesome week. Thank you for being with Birds Life. As always, be Birdsy and have an amazing time.
See you next time.
See you next time.